গর্ভধারণের 26 থেকে 32 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে ভ্রূণের মস্তিষ্কে সর্বোচ্চ বিকাশ হয়। এই সময় মায়ের অপশ্বাসে করে প্রত্যেক কারণে
What is this she said? Oh, like here in now the weather there is already changing. Weather now is not good all over the world. In Philippines also now the weather is rising to a very high temperature some areas. So the weather now is like up and down. Here in Bangladesh the weather is a little bit good. Last 4 days it's raining, so at night it's a little bit cold. Malia is happy because cold a little bit, but outside it's so hot. Hot. Who is this? Hello, good evening. Good evening, Sismers. Thank you, Salab. Thank you for dropping by. Kumusta dyan? Kumustamos dyan sa Pinas? Gawa ako ng roti. Ito gawa tayo ng roti. Flat bread. Tawag dito sa Bangladesh, roti. It's another. Thank you sis Mers for dropping by. Matagal din ako hindi nakapag-live. So, yung iba nawawala sa kapaligiran. Dahil hindi ako walang notification yung live ko. Basta pabigla-bigla lang. Thank you so much, sis Mers. Hindi tayo perfect magbilog ng roti.
First, তিন মাস হচ্ছে first trimester. হ্যাঁ? প্রথম 3 মাস বাকি 3 মাস মা। First 3 months is first trimester. The second 3 months is second trimester, and the last 3 months is third trimester.
Yeah.
Trimester trimester. প্রথম থেকে বাচ্চা নেয়।
Ito yung namin ngayon, dinner. Roti. Pamaris chicken curry. Thank you sa mga nag-likes. Thank you, Rox and Sismers for dropping by. Pag matapos ito, mag-end na tayo. Dahil lang ako nag-live. Dahil gumagawa ng roti. Honey, you make from the beginning, honey. You make this one highlight. Totally highlight now because I go now. You make highlight. Aste.